Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Hello, lover of stories. This story will take your breath away, and you won't stop crying just by hearing it. Incredible to see a mother devastated with terrible news, and her son only asks to die. Shocking. A boy of only 7 years old asks the doctors to let him die to save the life of his beloved mother, the perfect donor for his mother to stay alive. But if you want to know more, stay until the end so that you know the outcome of the story, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Chen is a boy of only 7 years old who developed a brain tumor at such a young age, and his mother, Zhao, was very sad with this devastating news. However, she only asked God for strength and encouragement so that her son would never see her sad or fall. She was always by her son's side, but another very terrible news reached her family, and everything got worse from that moment. Zhao, it was very bad, and they thought it was all due to the news and Chen's diagnosis. But unfortunately, it was not like that. Chen's mother was diagnosed with kidney disease. In addition, from that moment, both shared the same room in the clinic to be treated by specialist doctors. But one day, Chen got worse and was totally paralyzed and blind. His tumor was growing day by day, and his health was getting worse. The mother did not know what to do, and her health was also deteriorating. The doctors clearly confessed that if she did not get a new kidney, her chances of living were very few. Therefore, Chen, in his innocence, pain, and despair, asked the doctors to let him die as he wanted to save his beloved mother's life. Zhao would not stop crying and was not convinced of that offer. However, it was her son's last wish, and in the same way, he was going to donate his organs to save others. After a few days, Chen died, and his body was immediately taken to operations, where his liver and kidneys were to be removed for donation. Zhao was saved. Chen was the perfect donor for his mother, who was able to fully recover thanks to her little one for her life. The boy's second kidney was able to be a 21-year-old woman, and his liver was donated to a 27-year-old man. The people are very grateful, and Chen's mother is super proud. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.